Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do lip slide in Skate 4. So what you'll need to do is find a rails or some like of a curb, and what you'll need to do is go next to it with the board. You need to jump and like this, as you can see, first jump and then straight to the side move your joystick. So let's try again. As you can see, I did this trick. So let's try again. Jump. Okay, you need to get the momentum. So let's try again. As you can see, I did lip slide right now. So that's how you do a lip slide in Skate 4. Thank you guys. Leave a nice comment for the algorithm and see you in the next one. Peace.